Hey everybody, it's Hazel from the Israelite Woman Homestead. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is just a quick update on what is happening on the homestead. So I haven't posted a video for a while because we've moved here on this farm and it's just been one thing after another. Something breaking, something need to be fixed, just yada 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 yada, one after the other. So we've been working hard to get things up to par. Plus we have to get our house in order. It's winter, we have to get equipment like snowblower and all kind of different things. So we've been working hard, so I have not been posting videos. And then we went away for a little vacation so we can get a break. And then what else did we do? We've just been getting things ready. We've been trying to build a greenhouse, and we did build the greenhouse, and then the snow came and broke some parts of the greenhouse. So it was just one thing after another. So anyways, I've been doing other things, but you guys, I have so much videos that I made and I didn't get a chance to post them because my other camera, yeah, I bought a brand new camera for $400 and something. Yeah, about that, yeah. And then it broke. It's not working. So right now I'm supposed to send it in so they can fix it and send me a new camera. But this camera, which I wanted, was on sale. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped up. This camera was like very expensive, and they had some kind of one-day sale at my little outlet in the country where I live, and of course I dashed down there and I got it. So I'm really happy about that. So now I got a second camera, and the other camera that I have, it has to be fixed. So I have to send it off in a couple of days. So now I have this camera and it works really awesome. And it's the Canon. Oh my god, I can't see good in the light. I'm not wearing my glasses. It's my Canon EOS. Oh, okay guys. Okay, I don't know what I tell you guys there, but honestly I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't see a thing. So I guess I told you the wrong name. Okay, but anyways, I'll tell you my camera. Okay, I'll post it in the links below. And I'm just trying to get a good lighting for you guys as I film this, because I'm close to the window and the light is going in and out and blah blah blah. But anyways, so this camera, I love it. It takes awesome pictures, it takes awesome videos. So that's what I'm filming on. And it has the swivel thingy there that I can turn around so I can see myself when I'm filming. So it's just amazing. My other camera doesn't have that, and I always have to be like turning it around and doing all kind of thing. But this one is the best. Anyways, getting back to the video about the farm update. So we just had many things happening on the farm, and so finally now I think everything is done for now. Everything is fixed and is in good working condition, and we're ready to continue living. We really love this place, we're really enjoying it, but this house was built in 1890, so it's a very old house, and nothing has been done to the house for years and years. And before we moved here, I think 2 years ago, they did some fixing. They took some flooring out and put some new flooring, and I think basically that was it. There's nothing much done, but the house is actually in great condition, so there's nothing major to be done except add flooring in the huge porch that's in the back, the porch in the front. The laundry room needs flooring also, because they have the original planks, but one of them is a little bit rotted on the side, so they have to come out. And of course we got to fix the outside of the house, which has to be painted, because this house actually is a stone house. So it is made from like the foundation is stone, and then they have beautiful stone and brick around. But I guess people who was here, I guess they didn't like the look of it, and then they put some siding on it, white siding, which you have to paint every time. And of course they didn't paint it before we moved in. They did work inside the house, but they didn't do work outside. So I don't know if we're gonna keep that siding on, because I think that's gonna be a pain painting that every year white. I think you may just rip that off and leave the nice exposed stone on the house. I mean, I don't mind the old look, but we have to decide on that when the time comes in a couple of months when it's gonna be spring. So anyways, that's the update. And then in the spring, the barn is going to be under construction. So I'll put up some video on the barn construction when it starts happening, because the barn is going to be converted into an office space and my product area, my business space. So that's going to happen in the spring in a couple of months. So I'm looking forward to that. And so yeah, that's the farm update. And we're in Canada, so we have lots of snow and lots of places to clean. The part to the chicken coop, the part on the other side to the garden, the very huge garden that I'm gonna have. It's already plowed, just waiting for the snow to melt, and then the farmer up the hill is gonna come and till it from it, his big machine, because he's the one that cut all the trees down in the area that I wanted, and then he plowed the field and till it, and then he's gonna give it a final till for me, and then he's gonna put manure at the top so I can start planting. And I think I have about 1/3 of an acre. I mean, it's a lot, but I'm gonna put another greenhouse out there, some wash stands, another shed where I can store stuff, so I don't have to store stuff in the barn itself. I'll have my own area to do all my gardening and whatever I'm doing down there. So it's a lot. So yeah, so now it's winter. We're working on the inside of the house, like getting furniture and fixing up the house in the way we want it. Now this house is not very large, but it has enough space for what we're doing right now. It has enough space, but the only thing about this, because of the way the house is laid out, it's kind of hard to place furniture or stuff like that. And you can't really put big furniture in the space because it just doesn't look good. So we're presently looking for furniture to suit the space. And I did my living room and I'm happy with it. So I'll give you guys a living room tour. Only thing missing in my living room is my family photo on the wall. And I'm gonna do a video when I do it. I have the photos, but I just didn't get an opportunity to paint all the frames because I want to do different frames. I want to do like old style frame, like antique frames, and so I'm gonna be hitting the thrift stores to find some old frames to put the photos in. So, but everything else, I like it. Everything else is done. My kitchen is a work in progress. There's all the things I want to fix and paint and do in the kitchen, but for now it's working. But I'm really happy with my living room, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Maybe in the next video I'll give you a tour of my living room, which I'm sitting in right now. I still don't have my couches yet. I have my my outdoor furniture in my living room because it's slim and it can fit in here for now, and for now we can comfortably sit on it until we measure and find the right set of couches for this room. But yeah, that's it. And I've been shopping around and I found a lot of antique pieces for this house, because I said when we bought this house, the owner had a really lovely antique stuff, but she wasn't selling them. But I happened to come across a lot of antique stuff, like my table in the middle there. My little table is antique. I have my night stands, and not nightstands, the stands that I have my lamps on, like the side tables, and the cat is in my way. Kitty, move. Yeah, so I'm kind of sticking with the farmhouse style and the antique things. So I have a lot of little antique pieces in here. I've been shopping in thrift stores and stuff, and antique places and all that good stuff. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. But I mean, everything is great so far. I'm really loving this place. There's always some work to do. There's always some activity here, some tasks to accomplish, something to do. So it's never a boring moment at this little farmhouse. And I'm so looking forward to spring when I can plant my garden and do a lot of outside stuff. So yeah, guys, so that's my little update and of what is happening here on the farm. So what is coming is I am gonna post all the videos from last year which I didn't get to post from my other house with my garden and stuff like that. I'm also gonna post all the videos that we made just before the winter come in because my camera again wasn't working. So I'm gonna post all these videos for you guys. I have them, I'm just editing and I'm gonna put them up for you guys so you can see. And then I'm gonna continue with the update on the farm, what is happening, and I'm gonna give you guys some footage of the outside now that it's winter and what it's looking like and stuff like that. I also recorded a video of the outside of the house before winter came, but I didn't get a chance to post that because it was on my other camera. So anyways, all this stuff is in progress and it is coming together with my living room tour. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.